Some and any. Use some in positive sentences. For example, I'm going to buy some clothes. We did some exercises. Use any in negative sentences. For example, I'm not going to buy any clothes. We didn't do any exercises. Use some and any in questions. In most questions, but not all, we use any. Example: has he got any friends? Do you need any help? We normally use some, not any, when we offer things or when we ask for things. Example: would you like some coffee? Yes, please. Can you lend me some money? Sure. How much do you need? Some and any without a noun. I didn't take any photographs, but took some. I've just made some coffee. Would you like some? You can have some coffee, but I don't want any. Where's your luggage? I haven't got any. Something/somebody, someone. She said something. I saw somebody. Would you like something to eat? Quick. Somebody's coming. Anything/anybody, anyone. She didn't say anything. I didn't see anybody. Are you going to do anything this evening? Where's Anne? Has anybody seen her? Exercises. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.